Hi guys. Okay, andito na tayo sa adventure natin. We are on our first stop. Dito kami sa Aurora ngayon. We're island hopping. Kanina nakita niyo yung beach side where doon kami nag-drop off. And then we're now hiking. Pakita ko lang yung trek na dadaanan namin. And we're going to go all the way to the top, whereby makakakita kami ng view of the Pacific. Alright? Makikita namin yung view ng Pacific Ocean. Actually, yung dagat kanina, maganda siya, very na siya. Hindi siya maalon so far. That's good. Pero very blue yung color niya talaga. Halatang malalim siya talaga. So, ayan. Tutuloy lang natin yung adventure natin for today, and hopefully you'll join me every time I go live para makita nyo at ma-enjoy nyo rin yung na-enjoy namin. Tapos the following day, meron na naman kaming pupuntahan, another hike. So ito yung perks ng ng business, home-based business. Yung tipong kasi if you're working as an employee, you cannot do this. It's a working day today. It's a Friday. It's not a holiday. So talagang kailangan mag-report ka sa work. Pero kami, whenever magkayayaan, eto, go. 'Di ba? Vacation anytime we want, wherever we want, 'di ba? And ang maganda nito, hindi rin siya mura eh. Kasi yung kinuha namin package is package for 10 people. However, 3 lang kami, pero still we push through with it. So maganda kung meron kang continuous passive income and meron kang time freedom. That way you can spend more time with your family without worrying about your finances, kasi alam mo pumapasok yung finances sa'yo or yung income mo sa'yo nang hindi ka naman talaga completely involved in doing the business, di ba? Siguro you can do it part-time lang. At first talagang you have to work on it. You have to build your passive income. Pero eventually, na yan eh, magiging parang magiging ka na, passive income na nga. Since it's passive income, very minimal na yung magiging participation mo. Yet the income is still coming in. Okay? The company I'm in right now, and the company that I'm with is Live Good. I've discussed this so many times in the different videos I have in my YouTube channel. By the way, if you're not a subscriber yet, it's at Coach Mon Reyes. Go search for it in YouTube. Hit the subscribe button, and then kalembangin nyo na rin yung notification bell para every time na meron akong bagong video, manonotify kayo, and you'll be able to watch it. So, yun. If you would be interested to know more about Live Good, ayun nga, meron ako mga videos na available sa aking YouTube channel. Or if you want, you can contact me directly. Send me a private message. Babalikan ko kayo. I'll explain it to you. And I can even show you how to do it. Ako na mismo ang magko-coach sa inyo. Kaya ako tinawag na Coach Mon Reyes eh. Kasi kino-coach ko yung mga sumasali dito sa company namin on how to succeed. Alright? So right now, we're hiking, and pataas ng pataas yung trek namin. Ayan, so far ako yung nauuna sa aming we're having fun, guys. We're having fun. You should try this. You should have an adventure like this. Napakaganda rin yung napuntahan namin. I really recommend it for those na malapit lang dito. It's somewhere in the north. It's in Aurora. Madali lang siyang the people are friendly, and hindi siya ganun ka costly as compared to other destination, and there are so many activities that you can actually do. Ayan binebenta ko kayo ang dami nakikinig na turista dito. Ayan, hopefully you'll be able to try it. Ay, wait, pakita ko sa inyo yung akitin namin. See that? So bukod sa trekking, meron pang konting Rockies. Ayan yung aming tour guide.
Tour guide, highly recommended, Jasper as tour guide.
Yes. Si Jasper, napakahusay na tour guide. Talagang kinikwento niya lahat.
Jasper Postal.
Si Jasper, pag napunta kayo dito, hanapin niyo si Jasper, and he will guide you all
through. Guest ng Itbulaga. Usually kami rin po yung naging guest ng Itbulaga nung nakaraang season ng bago matanggal ng Itbulaga. Nandun po kami nag-human draw, nagpipicture.
Alright. Alright. Anyway, meron naman mga matatapakan. Oops. Ayun. Buti pa yung aso, nauna na sa amin. Yun. Ayun. I'm on the clear now. Anyway. Yeah, you should try this. You should try this. It's challenging. It's worth it kasi you get to have an adventure once in a while. Sama mo yung family mo. And it's going to be fun. Yan. Anyway, iaano ko na muna to, no? Tutuloy ko na lang tong video ko pag nasa taas na. Medyo nag-aano na kami, may challenge na ng konti yung pag-akyat eh. Alright? See you later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, guys. Bye! Yes, they can still talk. Bye!